All right, great people. She's coming along. We've completely installed the headers, mid pipes, link pipes, and the new our exhaust system on our 2025 Kawasaki Z900. Next step that I'm currently going to be working on, I gotta get to the brains of this bad boy. I gotta get the ECU out. What I'm planning to do is once I get the ECU out, I'm planning to send her off to Wheel Dyno Works to get her tuned and then put her back in. So I'm not gonna start the bike just yet. I'm not gonna do the cold start since I've installed it. I haven't started it yet either. I'm just waiting until I get that cut done, that ECU flash done, and then we'll get the cold start, the first start, all the starts, and the flybys and all the sounds. So yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, as I take apart this bike really quickly and get to the ECU. Now that we've taken off pretty much all the body work around the tank, undid these vent hoses here, we are able to see the ECU. Let me come around real quick. ECU out. Let's get this bad boy sent off. All right, I've done some detaching of cables and stuff underneath. Fuel pump and the actual electronics for the fuel pump. I'll drain out a bit. And now that the ECU is gone, gotta get into the airbox for the pair valve. So we can block that off. There's a couple of hoses down here that we gotta block off with silicone plugs. So let's get to it. Now we are here below the airbox, about to put on the block off plates by Smart Moto, just to make sure that there's no extra air going into the exhaust once we get our tune back. And since we are deleting the OBD2 port, no need for all of this extra gadgetry and wizardry. So I'm about to take this out and then put on the block off plates and then shut her off for the night.